How to delete all TikTok messages at once. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to delete all TikTok messages at once. The first step is to open or launch the TikTok application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. From here, look at the bottom menu and tap on the inbox icon. This will take you directly to the inbox section of TikTok, where you can see all the chats and messages you have received from your friends and other people on the platform. Once you are on the inbox page, go ahead and tap on the inbox settings. You can find this option at the top right corner of the screen, and it appears as 3 dots. Once you tap on it, a menu will appear. From the options that are displayed, choose the one named Select Chats. This option will allow you to select multiple chats at once. After you have tapped on it, you can now go ahead and choose all the chats you want to delete by selecting them one by one. When you are done selecting, look for the Delete option at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it, and all the chats you selected will be deleted at once. TikTok also gives you another way to manage your messages. On the inbox page, you will notice that there is also an option named Requests. Go ahead and tap on it. This section contains all the message requests you have received from people who are not on your friends list. Once you are inside the Requests section, tap on the Message Settings option that appears at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that shows up, select the option named Delete All. By doing this, all the messages in the Requests section will be deleted immediately. As you can see, TikTok makes it easy for you to clean up your inbox, whether it is normal chats or message requests. The process is simple and straightforward once you know the right steps to follow. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to delete all TikTok messages at once.